My name is Dan, and this is my bike check. What up? Alright, I got, actually this is a Verde Lux 20.75 inch top tube. It's a 2011 frame. I've got Duo Van Homan grips, Odyssey par ends, Verde Lux bars, 8.1 inch rise, 12-degree back sweep, 2-degree up sweep. I've got a Colt Salvation stem. I bought it used off this kid at the bike shop. Let's see. The Colt logo, it's so sick. Odyssey headset, like random spacer, I don't know. Cool Verde emblem in the front. Just got these forks. They're Scavenger flat iron forks. Got teardrop cutouts, and they have 6mm dropouts. Stolen roulette front wheel, complete. Duo stunner tire, 2.20. Check this out, it's pretty rad. See the stolen emblem spinning. Always like that when I'm riding. Moving on down, I've got Animal Steve Hamilton pedals, Odyssey Twombolt cranks, Duo perforated seat, stock post, another roulette complete in the back, 9-tooth driver. Give you a little hub sound. This is just a $10 KMC chain, but I like the blue. This is a Animal 25-tooth Sprocky Balboa Vinny Salmon V2 light, and I believe that is it. That is my bike. I am really happy with it. Rides really nice. I really like those front forks. Those forks are pretty light actually, even though they're a bit beefy. And that's it. Peace out.